Today we're gonna be installing the hood struts or the shocks for the hood. My old 2006 GTO, they're shot, so the hood is not opening anymore. And I have my friend over here helping me hold up the hood. So we're gonna go ahead and put them on, and we'll see how that goes. But I think the installation is pretty straightforward. And see you guys later. Alright, so we finished doing the install, and what you're gonna need a Torx bit or any Torx adapter, and they use Torx here, so just do hand tight. They weren't too tight when I took them off. And then this right here, you just pop it in. So let's see, you just push it in like that, and then you should be good to go. So you guys have any questions or comments? As you can see, the hood is now standing by itself.